You probably didn't know this, but one faulty wire can destroy an entire home. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Choosing the cheapest cleaning quote could become your most expensive decision. Many providers compete on price by reducing cleaning time, skipping deep cleaning, or using cheaper products. That means carpets wear out sooner, floors lose their finish, glass becomes permanently stained, and maintenance problems are hidden instead of prevented. A quality cleaning program protects your building, extends asset life, and reduces expensive repairs. A Scope Facilities focuses on long-term value, not short-term savings. This is your handyman mate form Scope, giving advice to make sure you're safe when storm arrives. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop